Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I can see 14 children. Good morning, beta.
अब मैं तो एनसीईआरटी सेट तो मेरे पास पूरा है अब, लेकिन मेरे पास ग्रामर बुक कोई नहीं है, ना हिंदी ना इंग्लिश ना जीके ना कंप्यूटर ना आर्ट। अब कोई की कॉपी
टेका मैम से पूछ लो एक बार।
नहीं बेटा, वो कह रहे हैं लूज की डेट भी डालेंगे, वो कह रहे हैं नहीं लूज की डेट डाल देंगे। अभी बिल्कुल रश नहीं रहा है, एक घंटे का।
Put your audio off. Good morning, beta. I can see 18 children. Hurry up, children. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Check. Shreya, I'll just send the attendance to your teacher also.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Still, I can see only 23 children. Only 4 children. I'm just waiting for the children, then we'll start the class. I'll wait for some more time so that I can send the attendance to your class teacher also. We will continue to the exercise. We started last time 3.3. I told you to draw the figures for question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me just start with, I'm just waiting for 1 or 2 minutes more for more children. Only 6 children. And the strength is 32.
31.
31. Yasha has left, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And Jayant also doesn't come. Jayant also.
Yes.
मैम तो 30 होंगे। मैं जयंत को ना गिने तो 30 हो गए।
Okay, okay. So I think I should start now. I cannot see who is not here, who is not here. I know most of your names. "27" are there, 26 are there, including me, they are 27 now. Yeah, I'll send this to your class teacher. Let me start the class. Yes, is there anybody who has any problem with the questions we did last time, question number 2 and 7?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, question number 2, fifth part.
Fifth part you could not do.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? It's very easy, I'll just tell you.
मैम वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा। मेरी जो बहन है ना उसने ओवरराइट कर रखा है सब कुछ उसमें।
Okay, okay. I'll do that also then. I'll do that also.
Sure.
Okay, let me just change the view of my laptop.
मैम मैम हमने मैम 4th और 5th क्वेश्चन करे ही नहीं।
हमने बोला तो होमवर्क।
मैम आपने 2 के सेकंड मैम आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के 4th और 5th पार्ट बोले थे। मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 और 5 की बात कर रहा हूँ।
अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 की ही बात कर रहा है वो। He is talking about क्वेश्चन नंबर 2।
मैम मैं आगे की पूछ रहा हूँ मैम, जो आगे सच्ची वाले 4, 5, 6 है मैम, हमने वो कहाँ करे हैं?
करवा देंगे, करवा देंगे।
अच्छा
हाँ जी। Can you see my board?
यस मैम।
Okay, the question Yuvraj has asked me. Yuvraj has asked me question number 2, 5th part. I am doing for him. I'm drawing figure here. You draw the figure with the help of ruler. You also doing the same way in your maths class?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
आप भी ऐसे ही करते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
She also teaches on board?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Okay.
मैम भी ऐसी तरह मतलब बोर्ड रख के ही पढ़ाती है हमें, अगर हमें कोई समझ में नहीं आता।
Now look at this question. Have you all drawn the figure?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Like yeah, right now Yuvraj asked me this question. We can see a parallelogram here. A parallelogram is there, and a parallelogram divides into 2 triangles, congruent triangles by a diagonal. Then
Yes,
and y and 112. Do they have any relation?
opposite angles are
Opposite
equal in a
angles.
parallelogram.
Not like this, but 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1.
Ma'am, opposite sides of parallelograms are equal.
Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So I can write y is equal to 112 degree, and the reason is opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal.
And
Wait. Please raise your hand if you have to answer or if you have any query. Jayesh.
Ma'am, we will use angle sum property of a triangle.
Very good. Then in this triangle, we will use angle sum property by angle sum property of triangle. We can say y plus x plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Manit, bolo. Manit, you raise your hand. Speak
ma'am,
up.
answer के लिए next answer के लिए.
Wait for the answer. Let everybody do. Now we will replace y by 112 and find out the value of x.
28.
28.
28?
Z is equal. Yes ma'am.
Yes.
Sure?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
28 degree. You got the value of x.
Ma'am, Z is also
Ma'am,
equal
Z is equal to 28.
Not
Alternate.
like this, children. Please raise your hand. Raise your hand. Otherwise, I'll mute people first. Raise your hand. I'll ask you people, don't worry. Manit bolo. Manit, speak up.
X equal to Z because of the alternate interior angles.
Very good. Z is equal to X. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So we can say Z is also equal to 28 degree.
Yes,
Z
ma'am.
is also equals to 128 degree.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I hope you all are able to see the board clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now Yuvraj, you asked this question. Now any query?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
any
no,
query?
ma'am.
Children, note it down properly. You are going to draw this figure with the help of ruler and pencil. And every question should have figure. Wherever figure is given in your book, you are going to draw a figure. I told you before the class only you will come with figures. But today, because Yuvraj asked me right now, so I have taken this question. So draw this figure and note it down the solution. And if you have any query, please raise your hand. You can ask me. Anybody has any query, he or she can ask me. Panav, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yuvraj Solanki, any query?
No, ma'am.
Musa? Switch on your videos. I want to see you people in school uniform. Pavni, any query?
No, ma'am.
Speak loudly, please. Cherish, any query?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am moving to next question. Question number 8. Can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now question number 8. I am drawing the figure for first part. The figure is guns. Guns is the name of a parallelogram. Guns is the name of parallelogram. And we have been given two sides, 26 and 18. And two other sides in the form of expression. Two other sides in the form of expression. Wait, let me see who has raised the hand. Navya, yes, beta. Navya, you raised the hand.
मैं वो पहले का आंसर देने के लिए किया था.
Okay, then put your hand down. Manit, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Let me just see if you have everybody. I hope I told you all have drawn earlier only before coming to the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rudra, which property we are going to use? Only Rudra will speak. Which property of parallelogram we are going to use here?
Can I tell?
Musa.
Ma'am, that the opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal.
Very good. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. It's very easy. You just need to remember the properties, and whichever property is applicable in the question, we have to apply accordingly. Now I can say 3y minus 1 is equal to 26.
26
And the reason is opposite sides
are equal.
Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Now start solving, children. All of you start solving.
मैम कर लिया.
कर लिया
हम कर लिया.
Wait.
9
Not like this.
मैम 9
I'll ask myself. Rayan, what's the value of y you will get?
9 can I tell 9
9.
9
9 is the value of y. Same way, we are going to apply the same property for the other pair of
3x is
sides.
equals to 18
Yes.
by 3
Not like this, beta. 1 by 1, please. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So you'll get
x is equal to x is 18 by equal to 6
6.
6. You have to find x and y in centimeters. So I'm writing the units also. X as 6 centimeter and y as 9 centimeter.
Ma'am,
Hanji, who is this?
ma'am, check the X-Man. Your screen is disappearing.
Speak loudly, तेज से बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, screen is disappearing.
Screen is disappearing. How come?
Ma'am, no screen is not disappearing. Some students are speaking in between, so their screen is coming in between.
You
But
can
then,
pin the video. No, ma'am. It is completely black here in the device.
There may be some network issue at your place.
there will be nothing.
I'll mute you people. Then let me see. Is it better now? Only you will show by thumb that you are able to see. Jayesh is saying yes. Show by thumb that you are able to see. Very good. It means you are able to see. I can see most of you have shown me by thumb that you are able to see. Okay. Let's continue. If you have query, you are going to raise your hand. Then only I'll unmute you and you'll be able to answer. Let me see the second part of the same question. If you have done this, note down properly, draw the figures properly, note down the reasons properly. Reasons are very important in the paper. If you not mark these reasons, you lose your marks. These reasons are very important. How come you got 3y minus 1 is equal to 26 and 3x is equal to 18? The reasons are very important. Let me go for the second part of the same question. It's again a parallelogram. And two diagonals are being drawn. Two diagonals are being drawn. And the name of the parallelogram is runs. And the parallelogram diagonals are bisected. Okay. I'll ask Saurabh, which property we are going to use here? Saurabh, are you able to hear me?
yes, ma'am.
Which property we are going to use here?
Ma'am, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal.
Can you see the opposite sides measurement here or any other value written there, any other expression written near opposite sides? Speak up, Saurabh. Okay, let me see who has raised. Panav, yes. Listen carefully, Saurabh, now.
Ma'am, diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other.
The diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other at the point of intersection. This is a point of intersection. So the diagonals will bisect each other. So can we, due to that reason, 20 will be equal to y plus 7 and 16 will be equal to x plus y. Is that clear, children? Saurabh, is that clear? Saurabh. Where is Saurabh? हाँ जी, he is showing symbol, hand.
Yes, ma'am.
समझ आया बेटा? Very good. Now you write down y plus 7 is equal to 20, and the reason is also we are writing this. I am writing both together, and the reason is same. So the reason is same. Now the reason for this both is same. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at the point of intersection. Now I hope all of you can solve. From the first equation I can solve and I can get the value of y as 13. Value of y as 13. Now you all start solving. I'll ask you people for the remaining value. Wait. Rudra will tell. Rudra,
Yes, ma'am.
tell the
Yes,
value
ma'am.
of x. Tell the value of x. How will you get?
Value of x.
Yes.
Ma'am, if we have 16 here, ma'am, we x plus 5 to x square.
Solve it. I'll give you time to worry. Solve it. All of you start putting the value of y in this equation and get the value of x. Put the value of y.
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 3.
Very good. Value of x is going to be 3. See, two questions, we used two different properties. In first part, we used opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. And in the second one, we used the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at the point of intersection. Is there anybody who has any query he or she can ask me? Raise his hand. I'll explain again. Is there anybody? Musa? Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Any query?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
If you don't have query, put your hand down, children. Some of you are ready with the answers. I think that's why you raised your hand. Some of you were ready for the answer. That's why you raised your hand. Children, if you have noted down, then I want to move to the next question. Question number 9. Here trapezium is being given and that trapezium is being divided into two parallelograms. Saurabh, any query beta?
मैं आंसर बता रहा था.
Wait. Answer we have done. For this one only? I can see 27 children in the class. Okay, let's move to the next question. This is a kind of trapezium given to us. And we have been given 120 degree and 70 degrees, and also a line parallel to, two parallelograms are there. This is a line parallel to this side, and this is a line parallel to this side. X is to be found, and the name of the parallelogram, two parallelograms is RISK, R-I-S-K, and the second parallelogram is CLUE. Okay, somebody will tell me how can we move. Somebody will tell me how can we move to the next question. Next, this part. Manit, yes.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Answer नहीं मुझे reasons के साथ बताओ क्या करेंगे अब?
Angle E will be 70 as the opposite sides are equal.
Which angle? Which angle?
E, angle E.
Angle E. Okay, but you can't write angle E here. We will name them 1, 2, 3 because angle E has 2, 3 angles at the same point. Okay, we will name them as 1, 2, 3 like this. I will name this angle as 1. Yes, को 1 mark कर लो. Angle 1 is equal to 70 degree. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. और बताओ.
मैम इसको हम एंगल 2 ले लेंगे.
Okay, you want to say S as 2. Very good.
X2 will be 60.
Wait, very good. 180 minus 120. And the reasons are adjacent angles.
Are equal.
Adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Supplementary 180 खाना बेटा दोनों का sum.
Yes, yes.
Okay, angle 2 we got as 60 degree. Once you get
And
angle
then-
1 and 2, wait. By angle sum property, we can find angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle x is equal to 180. Please solve. Please solve on your own.
50.
Very good. Everybody. The class is for everybody, not for only Manit. Raghav wants to say something. Yes, Raghav.
मैम राघव नहीं मैम, मैं सौरभ. मैम एंगल आर इक्वल टू मैम एंगल SIL हो जाएगा, करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स.
हमें और निकालना ही नहीं है बेटा, सिर्फ x ही निकालना है बस.
मैम बस ये निकालने हैं.
हाँ बस x निकालना है बस. Only x is to be found. सिर्फ x निकालना था. x के लिए हमने 1 और 2 ले लिया. 1 की वैल्यू 70 आ गई क्योंकि ऑपोजिट एंगल्स थे. 2 की वैल्यू 60 आ गई क्योंकि ये दोनों एंगल्स k और S2 they are supplementary. So we got 2 as 60. So by angle sum property, we will put the value of 1 and 2, and we will get the value of x. As Manik told, what is the value of x you got? 70 plus 60 is 130. 50 is the value of x. Are you all getting the value of x as 50 degree? Raghav, हाँ जी बोलो.
मैम कुछ पूछना नहीं था मैम, आंसर देना था मैम.
ये आ रहा है आपका आंसर. Are you getting the same answer?
Yes ma'am.
If children, if you are getting same answer, put your hand down. It creates confusion in the class. Put your hands down if you are getting the same answer. Very good. Now I will go for question number 10. Question number 10. Explain how this figure is trapezium. Which of its two sides are parallel? In question number 10, the figure is 3.32. Can I erase? Question number 9. If you have done, then only I will erase. I try to send your I hope you must have checked your Google Classroom. Did you all check Google Classroom? Did you all check your Google Classroom? Yes. I hope you all must have seen. You all must have seen the classwork also. I normally post classwork as well as homework both. Okay, homework we are not giving much. I'm not giving much. I only gave 2 parts. That 2 out of those 2, one of them I have done in the class. Now I will do question number 10. They are asking which 2 sides are parallel and how come this is a trapezium. How this is a trapezium. These 2 angles are given to us. What can we say? What can we say? Navya, any idea?
Ma'am, we can say that
Ma'am,
the
angle M plus angle L is
transversal
equal to 100 plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. Ma'am, sum of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So, ma'am, 100 plus 80 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. And ma'am, if we
This we can't.
we see that, ma'am, sum of interior opposite angles is 180 degree.
No. Are these opposite?
No, ma'am, if we do, ma'am, if we make K also 100 and
No,
also
the
100,
K
it
can't
will
be
be
100. K can't be. This is not parallelogram. That property holds true only in parallelogram. I'll tell you. Then I will tell you. Angle M plus angle L.
Plus angle L is equal to 100
Equals to
plus
100
80
plus
degree.
80 is equals to 180.
180 degree.
Now,
Ma'am, so
listen the reason. If sum of interior angles,
Ma'am, वही तो बोल रहा था.
sum of interior angles is 180 degree. Do you remember the concept of co-interior angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sum of co-interior angles. Sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. Then the lines
Side
are parallel.
NM and KL are parallel.
Then the lines are parallel.
MN is parallel to LK.
MN is parallel to
LK.
LK. If sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree, then the lines are parallel. That's why MN is parallel to LK.
And ma'am, if there is a pair of parallel lines, then it is a trapezium.
Yes. If one pair of a quadrilateral is, you'll write last line, write down yourself. If one pair of quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides of quadrilateral are parallel, then it is a trapezium. If one pair of opposite sides of a parallelogram, beta लिख पा रहे हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, if one pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is parallel, then the quadrilateral is a trapezium. Exactly same बेटा 11th क्वेश्चन है. 11th क्वेश्चन में आपको गिवन है पैरेलल है, आपको निकालना है. ये मालूम हुआ अगर ये पैरेलल है तो ये मालूम हो तो दूसरा 180 में से माइनस कर देते हैं. ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 यू कैन डू इन होमवर्क इजीली. वहां पर आपको ये गिवन है कि दोनों पैरेलल हैं, एक एंगल दिया है, दूसरा निकालना है. ओके,
आंसर 60 है.
हाँ निकाल लेंगे ना. रीजन यही आएगा. रीजन वहां पर ये आएगा. इफ रीजन इज if the lines are parallel, sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. उल्टा लिखोगे. If the lines are parallel, sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. यहाँ पे if यहाँ आएगा. If the lines are parallel,
Measure of angles,
the sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. Okay? Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Manit, you want to say something? Manit, बोलो.
Ma'am, please repeat the last line you said.
if the lines are parallel,
Ma'am, not this.
10th का कह रहे हो, 10th में लिखोगे, 10th का कह रहे हो तो 10th का बोलती हूँ. If one pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is parallel, then the quadrilateral is a trapezium. A quadrilateral is trapezium. So next time I'll do 12th question. बेटा 11th homework में करेंगे आप. 8 ही homework है आपका 11th.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
आप 12th मैं करवाऊंगी next time. और
Okay, ma'am.
Rudra was asking for the remaining questions. Please go through these. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. 4th, 5th, 6th को read करेंगे. अगर कुछ problem होगी तो मुझसे पूछेंगे. Otherwise, we'll do next exercise. 4th, 5th, 6th को just go through. If you have queries, then we will discuss 4th, 5th, and 6th.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let me just change the view. Put your audios off, children. Yes, children. Is there anybody in the class who has any query in the question we have done today?
No, ma'am.
Sure. Let me just, I have to send attendance to your class teacher. Let me just send that also. I thought I'll send. Chehek, were you able to understand? Were you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
इतना धीरे yes क्यों आ रहा है? Can we speak little louder?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you all enjoying these online classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But you have to study more. पता है हमारा syllabus और fast चल रहा है और ज़्यादा कर पा रहे हैं because you all are also studying hard. I am observing most of my other classes also. Children are doing wonderful. They are doing wonderful. They are practicing very well. I'm really happy with all of you. So can we just call up the meeting? I hope everybody is understood. We can't do next question. We'll do 12th question in the next time. 11th is your homework. 4th, 5th, 6th you will only go through. If you have queries, then I'll solve. Otherwise, we'll move to the next exercise. Is that
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, children. Take care. Will you find the class?
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, beta. Anjali.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Somebody wanted to say something. Okay, goodbye, children.